Hi everyone, welcome back to Ingel-Art. Thank you for joining me today. I'm so in the mood, guys, for this one. I'm using a big canvas, a 50 by 50 centimeter canvas. It's a square one. Love the square, by the way. Before I start, let me show you last week's waterfall, okay? I am so happy with this one. It's like a tropical waterfall and, well, a lot of crazy stuff around it. But I'm hoping to show you how much difference there is in gloss and in opaque paints and also transparency. But I really love these colors. Even though she's a bit wild, right? Well, I said it last week. I was just like, I wasn't thinking, and I just started doing these ribbons thinking, oh my God, what am I doing? What? Yeah. I'm really loving this. I've watched this painting a few times this week and I really love it. Let me bring you down. Let's fill a cup and start pouring, okay? Let's go. Starting with gold. Titanium white. Yeah, I thought so. Black. Brown. Blue-green. Okay. Let's just create. Don't have a plan. Oh, these colors are so pretty together. Oh. Okay, let me think. I'm not stopping yet, guys. I just wanna... Oh. I'm not stopping yet. Wow. Okay, let's go. Remember, the higher up you go, the more the colors are gonna blend. The lower down you go, the less they're gonna blend. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that crazy stuff there. Okay. Where are you? Okay, there we go. Let's stretch that back. And let's take out that side first. Okay, let's bring her back a little bit. Okay. Okay, I need to put her down for a minute. Let me think. Wow. I'm loving that I have like some negative brown space there. That's gonna open up a little more. Yeah, and this is just so pretty. I think that blue is just the right amount. I don't have to tilt off all this gold there because I kind of like it. But I ain't finished yet, guys, so that gold is kind of rolling over each other. That's a pity, but okay. Oh, this one is gorgeous, guys, the colors. Okay, let me put her down for a minute. Okay, wow. Yeah, love, love, love the white and the black. Yeah, thinking of putting some color here so I don't lose all this gold, because I kind of like that gold. Okay. Yeah, that's moving. Okay, not over yet. Wait. I know I haven't reached that side yet, but before I go over, I need to think what I want to keep. And what I don't want to lose, I will actually not want to lose this. Oh, I have all this black paint here. Let's use that as my flow extender. Okay. I knocked down my cup earlier. Okay, so that's the flow extender. Here as well. Okay. Because, well, after that's over, I would actually like to bring it back up, but let's see. Let's see if I can reach that. Okay, go. Is it over? Yeah. All right. Sorry, but I'm gonna have to bring her back down. Yeah, I can't show you that, guys, because, well, okay, well, that's it, I think. Hoo-hoo. She is very pretty. Let me shake. Right. Okay, well, I am really happy with this one. You know, I had planned on maybe using this to put on ribbons, but this piece is too pretty to even go further. So let me take you in for the close-up. Let me show you the sparkle, okay? Thank you very much for joining me here today, guys. Greetings and love from the Netherlands.